morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Today is a work heavy day. I have designing to do, but I think all the kits that I'm wanting to release are in the correct format from last year. So I may not have to do as much designing as I think, and I can just release those, which would really help because I'm trying to put as much into my shop as I can before Black Friday, so that way there's a lot of options for you guys. So yeah, I think all of the Valentine's Day kits are done. I just have to print them. And then I might design, I have a couple of other designs that I want to come out with as well. So there will be some like brand new stuff, and then there's also going to be stuff that was in the shop last year and just some like top sellers from previous years. So anyway, that is what we were up to today. I'm doing that, and then I'll probably print and cut some stuff just to get ahead, so that way Thursday I can do listing photos and listings. Yeah, because Friday I am still gonna be working, but I also want to clean my house because we're gonna be gone for most of the weekend with a family wedding. So I just want to make sure it's like all done ahead of time. So I'm trying to get ahead of schedule today. So that's the plan. That's what we're doing. And I just wanted to pop on and say hi. I've been a little bit slower this morning. I mean, I've still been doing stuff, but I've not been like sitting at my desk. So I need to really focus in and get this done. So that's what we are going to do right now. Okay guys, I wanted to give you an update on how the workday is going. I am still trying to make the tweaks to all the Valentine's Day kits, but I think I have one more, and then I just have the kit that's like halfway designed that I'm gonna finish, so we're doing good. Let me look at my list here. So then I need to do laundry and dishes, edit the plan with me for Monday. That doesn't have to be done today, but I want to be like really ahead on my YouTube game because, you know, this is such a crazy month that I want to like have everything ready, you know what I mean? And then I want to print all the stuff I've been working on today and just print it. I don't necessarily need to cut it today. I can cut it tomorrow. So yeah, we are getting it done, and I'm really excited that I'm almost done with everything. Well, kind of. I mean, I'm almost done designing stuff, and then it'll just be like edit. But I don't need to like finish editing the video today because obviously I'm a week ahead for that video. But yeah, we're just getting stuff done. It's a great feeling to like feel like I'm ahead this week. Even though yesterday I was like, oh man, like I'm so far behind because I haven't even planned. But I just took time out of my day to plan and to clean my house so that way I could just feel like I had my life together. And it's like so nice. I filmed 2 videos yesterday. On top of that, like I just did so much yesterday, which was so nice. And it was kind of nice to not have to vlog it just because I've been vlogging everything for like a month. And it was kind of nice to just have a little bit of a break and not have to like film it, so I could just, you know, not do my hair and not care about it. So that was kind of nice. But anyway, I am just finishing this up. My pizza that I made is out of the oven, and I need to go eat it because I've not had lunch yet, and it is 1 o'clock and I'm starving. So I need to go eat lunch, but I wanted to share the update with you guys that we are getting it done. Why? Okay guys, update. I have finished all of my designing for today, so I'm so excited about that. 6 new, well, not new, they're not all new. Let me back up. 6 new kits with a lot of them just being reformats from last year. How about that? But 6 collections coming, which is insane. I think I might do a Valentine's Day countdown tomorrow. And then I don't remember what I had planned for the next week's release. Oh yeah, some hand-drawn kits. And then the A5 Daily Duo Valentine's Day kits will also come out next Friday. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about all of it. It was a lot. We got a lot done. But now I'm kind of tired of looking at a computer screen, to be honest. And I was gonna try to edit the plan with me, which I might do later. But I think right now I'm just gonna take a break. I'm gonna go start some laundry because that was on my list. Maybe do some dishes and then just like chill for a little bit because I'm tired. I've just been looking at the computer screen for the past like 5 hours straight. So, but I'm excited. I feel like I've accomplished so much today. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday, although you're watching this on Friday, or maybe you're not. Drop in the comments below when you're actually watching this. But for me today, currently it is Wednesday. I have 3 orders that need to go out and I'm trying to get them in the mail before the mail person comes. Also, I have been up since 4. Dixie had quite the little scare this morning. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of reverse sneezing, but she does this every now and then, and it's pretty scary when it happens, but I know she's gonna be okay. But this one lasted forever, and it kind of just seemed a little bit different than normal. So I was up at 4 o'clock with her when she was doing that, and then I could not go back to sleep once I got her settled. And as soon as my vet opened up this morning, I called them. I just want to like take her in and get it checked out. So it has been quite the morning. I actually had a panic attack. It's been a morning. It is now 9 o'clock. I've been up for 5 hours. But yeah, I'm trying to just push through and not let it ruin my whole day. Like, I don't know if any of you guys struggle with anxiety or panic attacks, but it's like once that happens, it's really hard to get your day redirected. And so anyway, I'm trying. I am feeling a little bit better, and I will feel so much better when I like go to the vet and just make sure. I'm sure she's fine. I'm probably overreacting, but I would rather be safe than sorry. So I have to take her in a little less than 2 hours to the vet to get that checked out. So I'm going to try to get these orders done. And then I printed most of the new releases yesterday, so I just have to cut them. So it's going to be a heavy like cutting stickers day. But yeah, this day has been insane. Wasn't planning on a vet trip today, but hey, that's what's happening today. It's another day in the life of Rachel. Like, this is my life sometimes. But I'm gonna drink my coffee. I'm finishing printing the stuff for the orders, and then I'm gonna show you guys cutting the orders and packaging them up. Okay, you guys, I'm back from the vet. It was just a really bad like reverse sneezing fit, but everything looked good, everything sounded good, so she is good. Thank goodness. I don't know if you've ever had like a dog that has a reverse sneezing fit. It is very scary. And what alarmed me about this one is normally they last maybe like a couple of minutes, and this one was a solid like 30 minutes off and on, off and on, off and on, but like on for like several minutes at a time, you know? And so I just wanted to go get it checked out, have that peace of mind that like everything was good. But it's nothing bad, and we're just going to document when this happens just to make sure that it doesn't develop into anything worse than that. So thank goodness. But yeah, it's been a very stressful day. It is noon now, so I'm going to eat some lunch, and then we are just going to power through work today since it's been a out of sorts sort of day. But oh my goodness, let me know if you guys have dogs and if your dog does like the reverse sneezing thing. It is so scary every time it happens, even though most of the time I'm like, I know she's fine. Last night I was like, or this morning rather, I was like, I think she's fine, but it's lasting way longer than normal. But my vet said it's most likely just seasonal allergies. I'm like, I feel you on that. Like, so all is well. She's fine.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me.
Okay guys, I finished cutting all of the new releases, and I wanted to go over them with you real quick because at the time this video is live, these are all available in the shop. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. This kind of takes the place of a new release video. I'm just going to start showing them in my weekly vlogs. So we have the Hugs and Kisses, the full and the mini kit. We have our pink floral kit, our sweets kit, Candy Hearts, which is like an all-time favorite. And then we have our Valentine's Day kit. This is hand-drawn by my sister. And then we have the Love kit, which is also a pretty popular reformat. So yeah, but I think these three, Sweets, Valentine's Day, and Hugs and Kisses, were new last year. Love and Candy Hearts have been around for a couple years, and then this one is brand new. So I'm gonna try to do more of like these style where it's just like very simple patterns and not like clip art. But yeah, those are the new releases for the week. So yeah, I've basically spent the entire day cutting. I showed you guys a little bit of it, but I was like, I mean, we don't need to make like a 5-hour vlog of me cutting stuff. So I cut all the new releases, which is all that I really had to do today. And given that today's just been a little crazy, getting up at, being up since 4 a.m., having to take my dog to the vet unexpectedly, I'm just like, so I think I'm going to call it a day, honestly, and not really do any more work because I'm very tired and I want to just do nothing. I know it was a little out of sorts. I'm sorry. I'm like trying to get back into the swing of like filming studio vlogs and not like daily vlogs, if that makes sense, because during like Vlogtober I was like showing everything, and I wanted to keep this more just sticker related, although I did share like my crazy dog update. But yeah, I want to just keep it more studio vlog for like my weekly vlogs, but I'm definitely going to come back in Vlogmas and do more like daily vlogs. Still show a lot of shop content and a lot of personal, but I feel like because I'm also doing lifestyle videos every Wednesday, that I need to keep these videos more just like sticker shop related. I don't know. We'll see. I'm still trying to work out what I want to do with my channel, but I hope you guys enjoyed this behind the scenes of running a sticker shop and hearing about my dog. She is okay, so we are good. But it has definitely been a stressful day, that is for sure. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe and join our YouTube family. I would love to have you here, and I have a goal of getting to 11,900 subscribers by the end of November, and I'd like to get to 12,000 by the end of the year. So if you want to help me out with that, definitely click that subscribe button and stay a while. Check out my videos. But that is going to be it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.